Hello, my name is Carlos Morales and I'm a student at the Vancouver Community College in the Provincial Instructor Diploma Program. I am learning about informal assessment strategies. In this video, I will be presenting about course-related online surveys. This technique assists instructors to have a better insight and to promote the development of skills, values, opinions, and self-awareness that take place in the course. There are 50 informal classroom assessment techniques or CATs from the textbook by Thomas Angelo and Patricia Cross. The assessment techniques are divided into 10 sections. Course-related self-confidence survey is classified as CAT number 32. The group into which course-related self-confidence survey falls is called Techniques for Assessing Learners' Attitudes, Values, and Self-Awareness. The collection of the data from surveys is a flexible and useful tool for formative assessments that provides insight into what is working well or needs improvement in your class. Students are familiar with online surveys and likely to know how to use them. Online surveys can catch our students' attention, and they might be inclined to give longer answers to open-ended questions. It also gives an opportunity for the instructor to reply to the student, asking for information and more details. Course-related surveys are a great strategy to identify a student's confidence relevant to a lesson or a course material, and how to apply what they have learned. Angelos and Cross suggested that surveys are best used when introducing new skills, if there is any part of the course that would like to improve, and after significant progress is made towards mastering the skill. Surveys can include direct, open-ended questions that ask how, why, what. For example, how many days a week do you work on assignments or other classwork, such as reading, discussion, posting, for this course? Every day, 4 to 6 days a week, 2 to 3 days a week, once a week or less. Uses of surveys have advantages, such as develop self-assessment skills, improve instructor and students' communication, and also assist to reach the desired performance level. Some of the limitations that good questionnaires are difficult to develop. Data could be considered to be indirect, and there are forced response choices. Useful information about what the students have learned shows that teaching is a process that can evolve and improve with time. Addressing student misconceptions in a timely manner, which also helps to foster good working relationship with students. We all know that students might be hesitant to ask questions during the class. A course-related self-confidence survey gives students the opportunity to provide anonymous feedback to their instructor about their learning. This is a positive learning activity, which can be developed to promote critical thinking skills and to develop a student's learning management skills. It also helps to increase long-term retention on the subject matter. The best practices include define a clear, attainable goal for your survey, assess the student's self-confidence in relation to the new skill, choose a practical due date that is clear and reasonable to complete, explain why you're asking for their feedback, and mention the benefit to the students. Based on the data, what improvements might be made? When using this strategy, the best way to provide feedback to your learners is to let your students know what you learned from the survey and how will you use this information. It gives you as an instructor the opportunity to open a class discussion that will benefit the students' learning process. When results from a course-related survey are obtained, it can be utilized to help shape your teaching.